Welcome back to my box opening series.
Okay.
Where I open boxes and y'all just enjoy what's in the box.
Ooh, we should start a new series called What's in the Box. Yeah, instead of like mystery boxes, we're going to be What's in the Box? What's in the Box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box? Anyways, welcome back. You gonna introduce yourself first? I'm always first.
I've never introduced myself.
Well,
Y'all should know who I am by now. I ain't gonna explain that, but y'all know me. I'm the box opener. Let's get to it.
the box opener, better known as Athena, my daughter. My daughter. My daughter. I am Wendy. I am a part-time reseller. I like to do hauls and mystery box unboxings. I also work full-time at the post office. So
And full-time being my mom.
yeah, I'm a full-time mommy. We got another mystery box. This time, this one is a Goodwill mystery box. It is 2 10 for 10 boxes. So we've got 20 for 20. Wait, 20? I can't multitask. 20, for 20. There we go. I'm so weird.
Yeah.
Okay, just open the box.
Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
So we paid $20 plus shipping. So the shipping was $5 each. So we paid exactly $30 for all 20 of these items. Tear it open. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this one came from Dayton, Ohio. I don't think we've ever had one come from Dayton before.
Never.
What is that? Oh yeah, this is in the t-shirt box. It's just anything. 10 for 10. Let's see what we got. We got something that is new with tags. Asbro. It is just a little, that's kind of cute. Feels good. Feels like an athletic material. There is some stuff messed up at the bottom, looks like. It's probably just a cheap brand. Probably like a dollar store equivalent. I don't know. Never heard of that.
This one is roommates.
It's new tags, yeah. Yeah. New tags. Sheer. Oh, look, it's open back.
Oh,
That's kind of cute.
fancy.
That is fancy. A lot of new tag stuff. I guess the 10 for 10 stuff, because the last time we did this, I got a lot of stuff too. Urban Cocoa. It's kind of stretchy. Didn't feel like high quality, but it's pretty cute. It's kind of cute. Look at the sleeves. Feels good. It's got some tassels or some ties in the front. Return.
Good. Oh, this is cute.
New tags too?
Yeah. Love J.
Love J. Okay. Says it only retailed for $14.99 originally.
This is cute.
But that's kind of cute still.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
I'd totally wear something like that. Like if I was cute like that, then I would. You get the vibes.
Yeah, fashion to figure too. This is an off the shoulder new with tags. Little top that feels really cute. Okay. So far, they're just like all new with tags. And again,
Oh. Retails for $34.
well, that's a Marshall's deal.
Oh, yeah.
Time and honey. But sometimes they're wrong about the prices or whatever. That's kind of cute. It's got a little split at the bottom. Sorry, that's cute. Okay, I'll take this one.
No tags?
No tags again.
Okay.
Rogue Collection. It says our price $9.99. I don't know where all these came from, but they don't retail for a lot originally. That's actually really cute.
I feel like you might wear something like that.
It's what size is it? It's 1X. It is my size.
Okay.
Okay.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding.
Happy birthday.
My birthday.
Happy
4 months
late
ago.
birthday.
It was 4 months ago. It's your turn. Alright, so this is new with tags. I'm guessing that's supposed to be Eiffel.
Yeah.
2XL. Nothing special. As far as the brand, it's kind of pretty cute.
That's rude.
It's kind of pretty cute. Okay, wait, that one was yours.
Oh, it was?
Oh, I like that one.
Ooh, I wanted to grab that one.
Wooden ships. That's really cute. This feels really nice too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to look this one up, but it looks like an American flag.
That's cute though.
Well, you know what? Today is, well, I was like, today's President's Day, but.
We posted yesterday or tonight.
Yeah. Perception Concepts. This is our first not new with tags. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, yeah, still not new with tags. What does your side look like? That's kind of cute though. I like the two-tone of the contrast of the colors. So,
Lady.
another new with tags. Philo, size medium. And just a little top. Just a little top. What you got?
Just a plain tank top.
Right. So that's
comfy.
2 that aren't new with tags out of all of these. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And there's still more.
And there's still more.
Cool.
Exhilaration, that's Target. It's floral. It's got little pockets, I believe. It's pretty small though. It's a size small. I feel like it's smaller than a small though. Is that a kid's small?
I think it looks like.
Or is that just like a tank top that could be an oversized tank? I don't know. Oh, we actually got a pair of pants.
Got some.
Oh, it's a skirt.
Skirt. Old Navy.
Old
size
Navy.
10.
Not going to fit you.
Uh-uh.
And then we got another one of the wooden ships. New with tags.
All the wooden chips.
Wooden chips. Little striped sweater.
Girl, I know you're not trying to go on my turn. Okay. Come on. Guys, I'm just trying.
It's new with tags.
Gypsies and moon dust.
It's like a boutique-y brand probably.
That is
Oh, look,
cute.
it has like the buttons down. Look, and it's so pretty. Look at the arms.
I would have definitely worn something like that in 9th grade.
Yeah, that's really cute.
I wore something like that.
Probably. Alright, so this is Worthington. I don't know why. I really think Worthington makes really cute things, but it does not have a resale value of very much at all. It is a little herringbone skirt. Size 10. It's got the faux leather band. I think that's cute. It's got the little split in the back.
It's all businessy, interviewing.
Business in the front, party in the back.
Zara collection.
Little Zara t-shirt. High-low. Coral orange. Pretty cute. Feels good, stretchy. And there is a Ralph Lauren. It is new with tags. It retails for $125. Oh, girl. Let me see. Let me feel the fabric content on this. Get that over. This is cotton and modal. Felt really stretchy and comfortable. But yeah, that's cute. I know a lot of people don't like selling a lot of jeweled stuff like that. Now, I don't like buying it because it tears up when you wash it. It's like one of those dry clean only kind of things. Another new with tags. Ooh. Retails for $129. You know, this might actually be close to my size too. I'm gonna have to list this though. Oh, it is broke a little bit, but that could be tacked. That could be tacked on. It does have the little attached belt. So how many would you say? Oh, that's a cute little belt though. So you think there's 4 out of the 20 that didn't have the tags? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe. So 6. So count the rest of them.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I had to be counter before.
4.
4.
That's why.
Not funny.
5.
5, yeah.
Because she's got squirrel tendencies. She's already forgot.
7. 25. That's 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14.
Plus my
plus 6
6.
is 20.
It's 20. But that's really good. That is a lot. Even if they are lower quality items, they are almost all new with tags. We had several new with tags one in the last one. Isn't that the one where we had like a lot of the golf stuff?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so. I think we had a lot of golf stuff last time, or men's stuff. But so yeah, 10 for 10 box. We got 2 of them, and we averaged about what would you say, $1.50 an item. 10 for 10, and the shipping was $5. $1.50 an item. She's just like, okay, let's just say okay. Are you thirsty? Water. Anyways, 10 for 10 box from Goodwill. They're blue box. They go live every
Friday at 6 p.m.
What time is it our time?
Okay, we live in the central, so 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Yeah, 5 p.m. our time, 6 p.m. Eastern. I'm spitting now. 6 p.m. Everybody else is in the East Coast. No, wait.
Wait. East. The opposite of California time.
North Carolina time. They go live every Friday at 6 p.m. Central Eastern Standard Time. Oh my gosh, I need to go to sleep.
Yeah.
And they're really hard to get, y'all. So you need to have created an account with Goodwill Bluebox and somehow linked your stuff through either, I think, Apple Pay or whatever. I don't know. I always hand key it in. They no longer have a PayPal option anymore, which is really kind of sad. But yeah, I miss out on a lot of stuff because I have to hand key it in. Set your alarm. Definitely refresh before that 6 p.m. because a lot of times things trickle in before then and you're able to grab them. And this, just like this last time, I was able to grab 2 jewelry boxes. They're on their way to me. So maybe the next time you'll see me open my first jewelry box. I've gotten a couple with the apparel / jewelry box mix, and I never did a video, but I did get some jewelry stuff to test some of the jewelry, so I may start doing some jewelry videos. You never know. But anyways, y'all have a great evening, day, whatever, and we will see y'all later. Bye.